All right, guys, we got you guys something really beautiful here. It's a 6.1 liter Dodge Challenger 2010. It's built, it's got, I think he said 395 or 450 to the wheels. I'm not sure. I'll ask him when we bring it down. But anyways, what we got done on it for him, he's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got factory X-pipe. He did a mid muffler delete earlier. And then he brought it to us and we did a rear delete and put some quad tips on them, 4-inch there and there, just to complete the look. It looks absolutely phenomenal. And he's opening up a new Instagram car club. It's called Erratic TN. If you guys want to check it out and help check out his builds and his whole group. He's got a good following on there. So make sure you guys go check out his Instagram, erratic.tn. That's the 2 tailpipes that were on it that we cut off and replaced it with these quad tips. It looks a lot better, sounds a lot better. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's a 6.1 liter 2021 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Guys, we want to wish her a happy birthday. It's her birthday tomorrow. So she's getting this as a gift for herself. So we really appreciate your coming in and thinking of us on her birthday. Anyways, factory converters there and there. Then what we did, a true dual system, deleted the X-pipe right there. And she had a delete done somewhere else, the mids. So we just linked into them. There's the valves there and there. And then she had a rear delete there and there somewhere else. And we added some heart-shaped tips to complete the look. It's the only Challenger you guys will see with heart-shaped tips. There it is. So it's a true dual system. There'll be a link in the description for the heart-shaped tips too. Came out absolutely beautiful. And again, we want to wish her a happy birthday. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I was saying, this car is badass, guys. Just wait till you hear, and it's standard. So, you know what that means. Go ahead. Oh. Go ahead. 127, dude. 127. Go ahead and back it out straight. Go ahead. And this is one of many cars that they have in the club. Again. So mean. Enjoy, guys. We'll let you guys hear on this. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. With heart-shaped tips. Wow. Here's sound decibel. Are you happy? Yeah. Did I make your day? Yes. Yes. Go ahead, back it out. I should have got you jumping up and down. And she's a nurse, so make sure you guys thank her for her nursing services. Think. I like it. Here's our cheap tips. That's awesome. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys. That's crazy. Look at that. You can still hear it. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys. So she wasn't happy with the first pull, so we're trying the second pull.